This is the Draw It tool. So what you're going to do is you're going to see a white rectangle. The first tool you see is a pen. If you move the bar up, it makes your pen bigger. If you move the bar down, it makes your pen smaller. There are different color choices you can choose, and you can draw with your mouse or with your stylus on your device. Another option is to use the highlighting feature. Again, you can change the colors and the size. I'm just drawing with my mouse. You can insert a text box. This makes the font bigger. This makes the font smaller. This is my self-portrait. You can change the size by clicking on the blue arrows. If you want to get rid of your text box, you're going to click the trash can. This is how you insert a picture. You can choose one from Google or browse your files. So let's say if I wanted a picture of a cat, because Miss Breed loves cats, I would put a picture of a cat by just selecting it. When I see the circle with the check, I click save, and it's going to bring my cat. I can just drag it wherever I want it. If I need to rotate it or center it, I can press these buttons. If I don't want it, I'm going to press the trash can. This button is the eraser, so I can change the size and I can erase. This undoes, this redoes. You can choose to erase it all, and you can choose to lock or unlock. When you're done with your picture, you're going to click submit.